Taaniši eehkwaatamenki Peepankišaapiikahkia. How is ribbon work made? In this episode, we're going to be looking at how you make Myaamia ribbon work, which is an art form that involves the cutting, folding, sewing, and layering of ribbons to create geometric designs. So when we went into the archives, we wanted to learn what is it that makes Myaamia ribbon work unique from other communities. And we found a few things. One of those includes the colors of Myaamia ribbon work, which include red, black, and white, but with some blues and yellow accents. But also that the geometric designs of Myaamia ribbon work are very specific. It's from that foundation of geometric designs that we're able to today create new designs. Additionally, what we found was that ribbon work artists were striving for the idea of wawasanakwake, which you learned about in an earlier episode. It is this visual effect of shimmering that the artists were trying to create with the positive and negative spaces in their piece. But Myaamia ribbon work is not static, it continues to evolve. Today we use taffeta instead of silk because of cost. Historically, there were specific gender roles involved in the creation of ribbon work. Men were responsible for the trade and negotiation in acquiring the materials, and then women were the ones who created the actual pieces of ribbon work. Today, both men and women are involved in the creation of Myaamia ribbon work. Akuteme. This wrap skirt was created by members of the Mishingwe family and is common of a style that was worn in the 1800s. It can still be seen today in skirts, especially those worn with regalia. This wrap skirt is a great example of Myaamia ribbon work combined with silver work, both of which would combine to create the idea of wawasanakwake, or shimmering. Additionally, this piece of ribbon work is a very important pattern because it's commonly used as the Myaamia community pattern and can be seen on our Myaamia community flag. Ate tolene. Myaamia people continue to use Myaamia ribbon work on different types of clothing, including this hat, which was made by Karen Baldwin for her husband, Daryl. The design that was used on this hat is in the Myaamia ribbon work book, Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki, and is the third and final pattern included in that book because of the difficulty due to the small size of the diamonds, as well as the thin band that you can see there in red. At the bottom, we have moccasin game pads. Moccasin game is a game that we play year-round in the Myaamia community, in which there are two teams. One team hides pieces under each of the 4 pads, and the other team flips them over trying to find those pieces and scores points depending on when they find the black or colored piece. Amata koma. Myaamia people want to continue to dress themselves in Myaamia ribbon work today and often wear it on regalia, such as this piece here. This was created by Larry Daylight for Danya Williams, who is the Secretary Treasurer for the Myaami Nation Business Committee. On large pieces such as this, ribbon work is time intensive and can often just take too long. And so people have started to use sewing machines in order to create these larger pieces of ribbon work. While they have the same geometric patterns and colors, you can tell that machine-worked ribbon work is just a little bit flatter and thinner than pieces that are made by hand. My journey with Myaamia ribbon work started when I went to a community gathering, a workshop to learn how to create Myaamia ribbon work. And as I've created more and more pieces, I've started to think more about how this fits into the Myaamia aesthetic and also about the history of Myaamia ribbon work. I have become more interested in my own connection to our ancestors, especially to those women who clothed our community in these beautiful pieces of artwork. What is your own connection to Myaamia ribbon work? Maybe you simply wear it, or maybe you learn to produce ribbon work for yourself.